So now I'm going to talk about the work package 7 within SVEPAS that we call demonstrator values of a common language, which is, of course, this common language as Eva has been talking about just before. And we are still in the construction industry. So yeah, I also like that we have some different cases here, demonstration cases that hopefully can benefit from the ontology, all of us. So very shortly, I hope I'm going to be today. So we are work package 7 in this project, and the partners in our work package is, of course, Linköpings Universitet, Eva. I count you in even if you're on our own work package. But Saint-Gobain is still our partner here. We have a dedicated person, Oscar from Saint-Gobain. We have also included EPD International because in our work package we look at not only digital product passports, but also how can we use the circular value network and the data in it in order to create different representations, because we see digital product passport as one important representation, but there are plenty. So what are the different perspectives we can take on these circular value networks and the data we are collecting? And then we also, of course, need to define what data are we collecting for the different purposes. So we are looking, the different perspectives. So the perspective of EPD is included in our work package. So therefore, we have EPD International on the board, who creates EPDs, which stands for Environmental Product Declarations here in Sweden. We did have a partner before called Empower, but unfortunately they had to leave the project. So just before the summer holidays, we got the sad news that they can't be a part of the project anymore. So we are right now in the process of looking at a new partner, but we think we have found one due to good connections in our work package. So we have just like the finalizing part, but the company called Meta Solutions will probably be taking over Empower's part, where they are going to build an app based on the ontology that we had developed in Trace for Value project. So we can collect the data from the built environment in a structured way based on the ontology. So they are on their way in. They couldn't be here today, Malin, but they send their greetings. They would like to join next time. I talked to them before, but we are still missing one partner, and I will come back to that just in a second. But what we are trying to do in this work package is that we want to demonstrate how we can use this infrastructure that both me and Eva has been talking about, and the standards that we have to really demonstrate representations of data and circular economy values on top of this infrastructure. And those representations that we are focusing on this in this work practice, the DPP, Digital Product Passport, and the EPD. And we will do this by also, of course, using an app to collect data that's needed in the circular value network. So what have we been doing since the last meeting? Like I said, we have a new partner on its way in. We are looking for a new partner because we want to expand this in the construction industry. We have been looking at flat glass. We also want to look at plastic product. So we have been in contact with an organization that are producing plastic pipes that also are really interested in the EPDs and digital product passports. So we have discussions there. We haven't landed anything, but we are really interested in a partner. And if you have any like connections that you think are suitable for our project, where we can use this method that we have developed in Trace for Value, creating the circular value network, or a network where we can identify data needs for digital product passport and environmental declaration or EPDs, please let me know. We are very interested in looking, like I said, in the plastic industry, of course, we can be open, of course, if you're coming with a very good suggestion. But hopefully we will have this, have a partner on board during this fall. But one of the things we have been doing since last time that was really, really nice was a common workshop where we met on our office, Rangstad's office in Sollentuna, and had a workshop focusing on how to develop the circular value network that we mapped up in Traceable Value and extending it with the EPD perspective. So here are some pictures for that. We really mapped up the current circular value network and added what we need to complement it with, both from the ontology perspective and then, yes, the data perspective. What do we need to do also in order to identify what data that we need to collect? So now we have some work on summarizing this and put it into actions, because we will need to do some activities in order to get to the root what data we actually need to collect, both for the EPD perspective and for the digital product passport perspective. And it was really nice. We also had one participant from Nordan, which is a window manufacturer, being able to add their perspective as a window manufacturer and what they are interested in the digital product passports. So hopefully we have synergies with another digital product passport project going on that's looking on windows, and that Nordan might also join our work package ahead, but that's discussions to come. But it was a really, really good day, and we were talking a bit about, elephants in the room, different perspectives, and that it's important that we collaborate, because no one sits on the answers alone. Yeah, that was actually what I wanted to say. So this is just summarizing what I already presented to you. So hopefully we can start building the app when we have onboarded Meta Solutions. But we need to finalize the details first.
Yes.